Why did this thing leave me? Because I was asking her, let me go to meet your. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my ogbonge people, this topic today now about single mothers thing. Where it be say they first get pikin before they marry. Now then I want to talk to, especially with that pikin and girl. I beg, may you dey careful. Very, very careful, like seriously. Very, very careful. Wait till I talk. Very, very careful. You know, when you get pikin, and the pikin don't grow, and you bring the pikin come from Africa, or even though say you even born am for here, if your pikin dey complain about your man, say, I no wan stay here, mommy, the way your husband say they behave, why una no dey wan take wetin una pikin dey tell una? Why? Why una no dey wan take wetin una pikin dey tell una until when e go come set? Why una no dey wan take wetin una pikin dey tell una until when e go come set? So men na e-goat. So men fit go jogodo with your stepdaughter. Why una dey always dey behave like this? Like seriously. Just see this topic where I see one presenter they do today. Say a nogi of Prato. They jogodo with his stepdaughter. Like seriously, my darling people. Okay, before this thing starts, this girl talks so many things. Say, him mama na very nice woman, but him mama they cover for a man. He say, even girls when him mama they bring that time, this man they jogodo with all of them. The mama they see him, he still leave him. Until they can't go bring your own daughter come from Nigeria. This man can't they no, now wow. Some women they tell now say, if una not marry, na do or die something. Like if you not marry for this life, say you not go heaven. Me, I don't understand. Why it be say una go just dey see something koro? Una go see stay more na for enter. Okay, my darling people now. This girl talk so many things. Like una listen. He said when he tell him mama say he wanna want stay with you again, make him go they stay with your friends because of the way the man they do to her. He said the man say no, lie. Now yeah, like she go stay because he want jogodo. He need makers from this girl. Hey, now wow.
A lot of people have called me that. A lot of people have. Started in Nigeria. I can never started in Nigeria because where this from never talk. I used to insult him, but the one saying, "It's your dad, you know, you cannot try it and talking to me and God bless you for that. You are really wise. You are really wise girl for saying that. I'm not blaming her for anything. I'm only saying she did not come to fight for me. She was training the man that.
He's saying the verse for him mama because him mama no fight for him. When the thing come out, him mama join the man because na a husband. Hi, who do na this thing? Sing some mothers they who do na this thing. Who do na this thing? Say una if una not marry for this life, say na air fire now una they go. Who do na? Who do na? Una not go look man before una marry. Who do na this thing? This one are ordinary too now. Hey, my darling people, you can imagine a woman catch his stepfather, his husband, they jogodo with his step daughter. The woman they join the husband. This time when he go quarrel with him. They join the husband. They beat his own daughter. Say that his daughter now he seduce the man. Hey, who the local government will hear this one, my darling people? Eh? This one shocktalize me. He say his mama say he enjoy the jogodo. Now he make him mama they join the man. How you say no see your pikin ain't join now? Hey! The girl say na wetin make her angry. Na be that one say him mama say he enjoy the sex. Na he make he say na he make him join him husband. The girl say nothing like that. Say he force am, he give am a Red Bull. I don't know what he say he give am. She can't dey weak. He not can know when the man take jogodo with him. But then he put something for the Red Bull. His mama no know love the shack am. Ah wow.
Okay, you know this thing. The chance I would have killed all of that was
because the girl does seem mature. And see the way she dey talk. So now he make she dey talk like this because she does seem mature. But that's in my man. I say they surprise me.
That's what I'm saying. What I'm fighting man. You understand me. I'm not fighting man. I cannot fight my mother. You know, I just want to fight my mother. Well, go. Yes, what I will say. What you gonna do? Yes, whatever I want to do. And you also said that your mommy also worked for him. Like how? I don't get that. Like for how long? For how long have you noticed this? Even before you come to Europe. Yes. And the year. And I came here for family. Jesus.
Ah wow.
Okay. And my mom brought us down for the man. That's why he has the opportunity to think that it's thing that will bring me here. I wish I know in the life because my mom has the money. Then I bring me here and whatever you want to check. It's not your platform. You know what I told the man now? So that we never away. Okay, that was what he told you to like entice you or what? Is that what he told you to entice you or what? He's trying to take me to a road walk. That's platform. Yes. That's the platform. Guys, so this video, guys. No, I said I'll post it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Ah wow, my darling people. Oh. Not to a person not go see show. Step fathers there. Mona say they stop this thing to the jogodo with my stepdaughter. Hey, what will na one gain if una destroy the small girl future? What will na go gain? And women look man before you marry low. I beg, and I know say some men they pretend. And if your pikin want tell you something about your stepfather, your stepfather, I beg, make una dey listen. More una listen so that una go know wetin you want talk. Not be say una go just dey say no. You know, my husband not be like that. Who tell una? Some men are egots. Some men are egots. They can juggle with anything in scales. You understand? So I beg my darling people, I beg. I use God to beg una. Make una the look man before una marry. Thank you, my darling people. Take anything you wanna think about this video. Wanna leave una comment for the comment section. Bye.